So guys, what do you think? What Nissan Skyline generation makes the best sound? I'm obviously going to compare two different Skyline sounds. Well, not actually a Skyline, but two different generations of the Nissan GTR. Starting with the R34 GTR Skyline. So that is the Nissan Skyline R34 GTR sound, but I do not know if that was actually the best sound, but there is one car that actually compares itself with that kind of sound, the R35 GTR. So this is how it sounded like. So that is the Nissan GTR R35. But you gotta admit, the GTR R35 makes a more indistinct, recognizable sound in all the Nissan GTR lineups. So, if you were a GTR fan, would you pick the old school 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR R34 or the R35? Well, it depends on you. What is your perspective about both the Nissan GTR lineups between the R34 and R35? And I recently have 254 subscribers. Yep, 254 subscribers. Let's go. And this is actually going to be one of the videos that I actually uploaded these recent years. So, if you were a GTR fan, would you pick the sound of the RB26 twin turbo from the Skyline R34 or the VR38 V6 sound from the GTR R35? That depends on you. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure that you go comment, like, and subscribe.